Get into the 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Colorado packs fuel efficiency, creature comforts, and can-do capabilities into a mid-size pickup that's fun and easy to drive, whether you're in the city or on the worksite. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, keyless entry, premium sound system, satellite radio, backup camera, V6 cylinder engine, steering wheel audio controls, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels. You'll look good and feel comfortable in the Colorado. Come in for a test drive today.